a food processor to create breadcrumbs. Blend 1 cup of walnuts in your food processor. Mix the walnuts and the breadcrumbs together in a large bowl. Add your spices to the breadcrumbs and walnuts. I like to add a lot of spices to mine. Be sure to blend these ingredients thoroughly so they even out and the taste does not get collected in one area of these breadcrumbs. Take your favorite blend of bean and use the food processor to mash it together to make a paste. Add an egg and some coconut milk. Blend them together to make your ingredients stick easier once they're cooking. Add your favorite barbecue sauce and mix thoroughly. Dice a red or green bell pepper. You can use your food processor, but in this example I cut it with my knife. Be sure if you use the food processor it does not turn it into a slush. Dice 1 whole yellow onion. Blend your onion, garlic, red bell pepper, and beans into one pot. Everything should end up in one big bowl. Mix this together very well so it is consistent throughout. Now you're ready to put it on the skillet. Let's prepare. Our heat should be at medium-high. I'm using a gas stove, so adjust the temperature as needed. Coat the bottom of your pan with your favorite type of oil. Roll your ingredients into a ball the size of your palm. You can cook up to 4 at once using a large pan. This recipe should give you 11 different burgers. And you don't have to wear gloves, but it is kind of messy. Cook the burgers on each side for 4 minutes. Then they should be ready to serve. It doesn't take much. While your burgers are cooking, go ahead and start another skillet to the side and cook some eggs. They add a lot of protein to the dish and also give it that authentic burger feel. And that's about it. Please let me know if you tried this recipe and enjoyed it. I know that I do. If you'd like to see more videos of any type of vegan or vegetarian recipes, please hit a comment down below. Thanks so much for your support.